Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a new gardener, I want to talk about two massive mistakes that can completely derail your efforts before you even get started. And surprisingly, it's not about forgetting to water. The number one reason most new gardeners fail is because they plant too early. We see the sun shining, the weather feels warm, and we get excited to get those plants in the ground. But here's the secret. Plants don't care about the air temperature, they care about the soil temperature. If the soil is too cold, a whole bunch of bad things happen underground where you can't see them. Seeds won't sprout, they'll just rot. For the little seedlings you bought, their roots will just stop growing, leaving them weak, stressed, and super vulnerable to disease. Think about popular summer plants like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. They need the soil to be consistently above 60 degrees Fahrenheit to thrive. Planting them when the soil is still in the 50s doesn't give you a head start. In fact, it does the exact opposite. It stunts their growth and makes them more likely to get sick. So if you've ever had a garden that just seems slow to take off, this is probably why it wasn't slow. It was just planted too early, and the plants were struggling to survive from day one. The second huge mistake often happens at the same time, using poor soil. You can't just dig a hole in that hard, compacted clay in your backyard and expect a plant to be happy. If your soil is dense, lacks organic matter, or doesn't drain well, the plant's roots are in for a tough time. Roots need to breathe. They need access to oxygen, nutrients, and the right amount of water. In hard, lifeless soil, they can't get any of that. They spend all their energy just trying to push through the dirt instead of absorbing what they need to grow. Even if you water perfectly, it won't matter if the roots are suffocating or can't find any food. So here's the simple fix that will change your gardening game forever. First, be patient. Get a cheap soil thermometer and wait until your soil is actually warm enough for the specific plants you want to grow. Check the plant tags for their ideal conditions. Second, prepare your soil before you plant. Mix in plenty of compost and organic matter to make it light, fluffy, and full of life. This will improve drainage and give the roots everything they need. When you give your plants a happy home with warm, rich soil, they will reward you by growing faster and stronger than you ever thought possible. Remember, the best gardens aren't the ones planted first. They're the ones planted at the right time in the right soil. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.